So how good does an offer need to be to get our attention? I mean, it's a question that I think marketeers are often asking themselves. I mean, I remember some time back when somebody offered me a £20 note for if I gave them a £10 note in return. And of course we think about that and we go, well, hold on, why would somebody give me a £20 note if I only gave them £10 in return? But the point of the exercise was really to break the patterns of thinking that so many of us have. When we hear about an offer, and maybe we think it's too good to be true, we get very suspicious without really understanding what's at the end of the offer. And I think for me, I'm in a similar situation in one of my businesses today, where I get involved in using an AI software to use for trading foreign currencies to make a profit. When I talk to people and I say, look, there is an opportunity here to get involved in a new business opportunity at very little risk, at very little cost, to be able to perhaps double your money in perhaps 1 year, or maybe even double your money in 6 months. People are doing this. They are making so much profit from the little bit of money that they invest that over a period of time, that little amount of money can turn into a lot of money. So I just want to give an encouragement today that maybe it's time to have a look at an opportunity without being skeptical. Have a look at the information for free and really make your own judgment as to whether this is something that you would like to do. And ultimately, I'm speaking to you if you're interested in making money, which may sound kind of crazy because I think most people are interested in making money. It is by making money that we can live a better lifestyle and have the freedom to make the choices that we want to if we can make money. And by using AI software to trade foreign currencies, automatically it's one way that I and others are making money, and I want to give you the opportunity to have a look at that for yourself today. So if that interests you and you're perhaps getting past the skeptical side of, oh, it sounds too good to be true, let me encourage you to visit my website at peterboulton.com. I'll put my website address on the bottom of this video and go to the Generate an Income tab. And there you will find some free information that's available that helps people to start to understand what are the benefits in using AI software to trade foreign exchange currencies to be able to make a profit. And if it is something that's of interest to you, before you spend any money, can I suggest that you just reach out to me and perhaps we'll have a telephone conversation or perhaps even a Zoom call, and I can talk to you about the basics of what's involved if you too are interested in making some money and making some profit. I look forward to hearing from you.